Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we are opening door number 7. So you know what that means, don't you? That means we are 7 days away from Christmas. Can you believe that, guys? That has just gone so fast, hasn't it? So who's ready to see what we've got? Ooh, this one looks an unusual colour. Look at that. And it comes straight out as well. I'm getting good at this. I'm getting so good at this. Look at this one, guys. How unusual is that? Right. My lighting is not going to play up again today. How unusual is that? I really like the look of this one. Let's get it swapped, shall we? Because I'm dying to see what this one looks like. So this one is called Sleigh Bell. Oh, wow. That is like a metallic gold. I like the look of this. A little bit sheer. I think it's going to need a couple of coats, to be honest. But like I keep saying about these gel polishes, they're super thin. So it doesn't really matter when they need a couple of coats, because it's not going to bulk the nail out. So I'm going to give that one a cure. Oh yeah, perfect after 2 coats. Look at that. Perfect coverage. I really, really like this one. It's just like metallic gold, but it's a really nice gold. It's not that antique gold that I'm not keen on. It's a really, really pretty yellow gold. It's looking more antique on there. Love that. And can you see 2 coats is perfect coverage. So, going to give that a cure. So there we are, guys. That's what was behind door number 7. A gorgeous gold metallic gel polish called Sleigh Bell. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.